How to turn on daily screen time on your TikTok account. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok and open it, and then when your TikTok is open and you would just go here to your profile, open your profile guys. Then when you open your profile you would just go here on this three line at the top of the screen. Then you go to settings and privacy, and after this on settings and privacy you go down and click on screen time. Then on screen time you go to daily screen time and click on it. Then click turn on, and you will just wait. You have to set time. For example, I set this time, then I will back and click turn on, and that's it. You will just go back and you turn on this. That's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next.